In this video, I'm going to show you 6 websites that are making $50,000 per month, and you can do the same thing. Let's get into it right now. Hey, what's up you guys, how are you doing? This is Irfan here and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 profitable websites that are literally making almost $50,000 per month, and it's crazy to see that how they are doing that. I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing, how you can structure everything, how you can put all the items on your website so you can actually replicate the same thing. You can clone these websites, and if you like them, if you like the concept of this business model, you can literally do the same thing. So let's get into it right now, but before that, I want you to subscribe to my channel if you still haven't done it, because it's gonna help me a lot, guys, because I've noticed that more than 95% of people who are watching my videos haven't subscribed to my channel, which is not really good for me. So if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, I much appreciate it if you do that, and tap the like button if you like this video. It's gonna help me more than you think. So without any further ado, let's get into it right now. So the first website that I'm gonna be revealing is called nerdwallet.com. So this is a website all about finance, investing, insurance, student loans, mortgage, personal loans, banking, and all this kind of stuff. So what this website does is that it's a very niche specific website only for finance, and what they do, they actually promote different softwares, products, services regarding finance and investing. So I can give you an example. So for example, if you go to investing right here, you're gonna see that they have these options right here. So for example, if I click on view top brokers for stock trading, you see that they listed all top brokers for stock trading. So, and all of them are affiliate links. So for example, TD Ameritrade, Webull, Robinhood, Interactive Brokers, TradeStation. So if you click on learn more, it's gonna redirect you to the main website with their affiliate link. So NerdWallet is gonna get a commission if you click on this link and if you sign up. So for example, you see the commissions right here, that how much they charge. So if I click on Robinhood, if I click on learn more, you're gonna see that it's actually redirecting us to the main page, which is this one, which is their affiliate link. So it's actually fully loaded with your affiliate link, and if I sign up right here, they're gonna get a commission. So and if I start trading, they're gonna get even more commission, probably 30%, 40%, 25% of the trading volume that I do. But this is how it works. The concept is affiliate marketing, and they're actually promoting some of the products regarding stockbrokers. So as you can see, all of these are affiliate links. So the rest of the things are exactly the same thing. So this is just one example. They have some items about finance, student loans, and which are actually all about affiliate links and affiliate articles. So if you click on one of these articles, it definitely has some affiliate links inside the article that if someone sign up through those links, they're gonna get a commission. So this is one of the websites that are making over $50,000 per month, or I would say millions and millions of dollars per year, because this is a very, very hot topic that people are constantly looking for, and they are here for that, you know, especially for stock trading and crypto trading. So they're making a lot of money. So the second website that I'm going to show you is called websitesetup.org. So this is a website. It's a very, very clean and neat website that teaches people how to set up a blog, how to start blogging, how to structure everything, how to, you know, make money from blogging, all this kind of stuff. And it's pretty cool. As you can see, about this free step-by-step guide, they actually get you through the website, that what they offer, what it does, how you can benefit from it, and all this kind of stuff. So if I go up right here, you can see on the bar, they have the useful tools, which are all affiliate links, best web hosting, best WordPress hosting. So if I click on it, you're gonna see that what they are promoting right here. So if I scroll down, see, they're promoting Bluehost here. So if you click on this button here, and if you make a purchase through this link, they're gonna get a commission, and the commission for Bluehost is $65 per sign up. It's crazy, $65 per sign up. And if you keep promoting Bluehost, $65 is gonna get bumped to $100, to $120, to $130. And imagine this website is probably selling tons and tons of these services for Bluehost, and they're probably getting paid somewhere between $120 or $140 per sign up. It's not $65 anymore, but if you just sign up as an affiliate, you're gonna get $65. This is how crazy it is. See that they have all the stats here, they have all the comparisons for the best web hosting. So for example, for popular guys, how to make a website, how to start a blog, how to start an online store. So let me show you this one. So see how to start an online store. If you scroll down, they definitely talk about the web hosting as well, because this is what you need. They're gonna get you through some of the instructions. And if you scroll down, see domain.com, this is an affiliate link. If you sign up, if you get a domain from this website, they're gonna get a commission. So start an online store website by yourself, set up payment method, PayPal, and see. Okay, so apparently they only have one affiliate link inside this website, but this is how they work, guys. For every single article that you click on, they have an affiliate link inside that article. So for example, how to start a blog here, let's see what they have. Choose your blog topic. They are definitely promoting Bluehost that I showed you, but right now they have some affiliate links regarding the themes for WordPress. So if you want to download a premium theme for your WordPress website, they have a link for that. If you purchase that theme, they're gonna get a commission. This is how it works. It's pretty cool, guys. They have so many themes right here, and this is how we can structure the same thing. They're really clean and neat and structured. That's why people don't get confused when they land on such websites, and they can easily go through it to see what this website is all about, what they can get if they want to start a blog or something. All the instructions are clear, and it's on the first page of their website. So this is the second website, which is really, really profitable. The third website is called PCPartPicker.com. So this is a website all about computer parts, computer components, and all this related stuff to computer, how to set up a computer. So for example, if for this one, if you click on this one, entry level Intel gaming monitor, case, you see if you scroll down, they introduce the CPU, the motherboard, a storage, GPU, the processor they are using, and all this kind of stuff. And if you scroll down more, you're going to see that all these buttons are loaded with affiliate links. So it means that if me and you make a purchase through these links, they're going to get a commission, or you can get all of them for $900 from Amazon, and they're going to get a commission based on that. So if I click on this button here, it's going to take me to Amazon. So let's say this one, for if I want to get this graphic card, GeForce GTX, it's going to take me to Amazon. See here, you're promoting this product here, which is $995, and they probably get 12 to 15% of the commission. So if I make a purchase, which is almost $1,000, they're gonna get 15% of the purchase, which is amazing, guys. So this is just one example. They're selling a high ticket product, which is almost $1,000. They have the other stuff as well. So this is just an example that I wanted to show you that what they're selling. So this is a graphic card. They have this CPU right here from a different website. They have this one from Amazon again for $112. If someone make a purchase, they're gonna get 12% off that. And this is how it works. It's a pretty clean website. As you can see, all these websites are not messy, or they're not scattered. Everything is on the first page of the website, and there's a clear instruction. If someone wants to do something, they can easily find it. So they have all the guides here, the cases here, the GPU is here. You see, everything is clean and with a picture. If someone clicks on it, they want to make a purchase, done. So this is the third website that I wanted to show you, PCPartPicker. I just wanted to give you some idea that how we can do the same thing. So the next one is called This Is Why I'm Broke. So this is a pretty interesting website, guys. I personally fell in love with this website, with the concept of this website. So what they do, they actually pick funny products from different websites such as Amazon or Etsy or the other websites, and they put it on their own website. It's pretty cool, and all of these products are like, you know, funny and entertaining websites. So for example, they're selling this LED face changing mask, and if you click on it, it's going to take you to Etsy.com. So it's an affiliate link, and I mean, this website is going to get a commission if I make a purchase here, which is $115. I don't know how much percentage they give, but it's a pretty cool product. See, it's pretty interesting, and this is the website that actually talks about all this interesting and funny stuff. I personally fell in love with this website. It's pretty cool. And if I scroll down, you see that all these funny items right here. See, they have everything. They have pretty much whatever that you need, or whatever that makes you entertained, and you can actually make a purchase through this website. See that this website is really simple. They're making thousands of dollars per day by just promoting something like interesting that people might like. And you can do the same thing, guys. See that all these items are kind of abnormal. They're not something common, but this is something that most people like, and it's going to redirect people to Amazon or Etsy or the other websites that are selling these products. So it's not their own product. They're not doing anything crazy. They don't handle the shipping. They don't deal with customer service. They don't do any of this stuff. They're just putting the images on their website, and they talk about it a little bit. That's it, done. They don't even write an article. So if I click on it, it's going to take me to Amazon. There's no article that I can read and get more information. They just have a little bit of description right here, and if I click on it, it's going to take me to Amazon, and that's it. So nothing crazy, nothing time consuming. It's a pretty cool thing. As you can see, they are expensive too. So $500 for this one, and $2,000 for this one, which is crazy. So this is how it works, guys. This is the website that I just wanted to show you, to show you how it works, how they structure their items, and how they are making money from it, which is crazy. So the fourth one, if I'm not wrong, sorry, the fifth one is called justagirllandherblog.com. So this is a personal blog that is getting operated by someone called Abby, I think. She's the owner of this website, and she has a pretty interesting website. So it's a personal blog that talks about her daily basis life, like what she does on a daily basis. She teaches you how to start a blog, how to make money online, how to do all this stuff regarding digital marketing. And she has a very, very neat and clean articles listed right here on the first page. So if you go to free resources or to my product section, you see all her products right here. Or if you go to free resources, if you click on how to start a blog in 2020, which is for last year, so not for 2021. See, more than 10,000 shares. And if you scroll down, she's gonna teach you everything about starting a blog. Pick a blog name, choose a blog host, customize your blog. So if I click on it, it's gonna take me probably to Bluehost. See that she's also promoting Bluehost because everyone knows that there's so much money in Bluehost to make. This person is probably making more than $120 per sign up, which is a crazy amount. And if you scroll down, it's a pretty long article on how to start a blog, and they are promoting Bluehost as well. And also there are other items that they are promoting, such as I don't know, probably they're promoting Namecheap to choose a domain, Bluehost for your web host, themes, landing page builders, and all this kind of stuff. See, everything is right here. So it's a pretty clean website. Everything is structured here. The items are here. So you see that nothing crazy is going on. They're just articles. So you just need to spend more time on writing articles. You need to actually pay attention to SEO, search engine optimization, how to actually write a blog, what to choose, what topics to go for. These are the important things that you might need to consider. So, and also, yeah, this is how it works. This is a personal blog. They were also promoting Bluehost. They also have the other products that you can go for, but this is how the concept works. And the last website is called Chainsaw Larry. So this website mainly focuses on chainsaw machines or products. It's only about chainsaw, nothing else. It's a very, very niche specific website, which is amazing because the more specific you are, the higher quality customers you get. Because if I personally land on this website and if I know what this website is all about, what they're promoting, I'm more likely to spend more time on it. See, so they have so many articles on the right side that you can go for. And if you want to, make a purchase, see that they have a list of all the chainsaws here.
For the power of a deep clean in minutes, try Mr. Clean Clean Free.
It's an ad here, so I don't want to play it. See that if I click on check price, it's going to take me to Amazon.com. So it's an affiliate link, and if I make a purchase here, they're gonna get a portion of that commission. So see, they also have the exact same structure. They have a list of the items they are promoting, and if I click on the check price, it's going to take me to the Amazon website or whatever website they are promoting the product on. And also the second method that they are making money from is the ads. So see that this ad is just popped up here, this ad just popped up here, this ad just popped up here. So they're actually making money in two ways: promoting a product regarding chainsaw, only chainsaw, nothing else, and AdSense. So I don't know exactly how much this website is making per month, but it's a pretty good money, like probably $15,000 to $20,000 per month. So compared to the previous websites that I showed you, it's like way less, but they are still making a decent amount of money. It's crazy. So I just wanted to show you that how the structures are working, how we can do the same thing regarding your niche. Doesn't matter which one you want to go for, but in my opinion, if you want to create an affiliate website, just try to consider these items here, the structure. Everything should be kind of neat and clean and structured if you really want to have a really high converting website, in my opinion, which is really, really important. So these are the 6 websites that I wanted to show you guys in order to start your first profitable affiliate marketing website. And if you like this video, don't forget to tap the like button. It's gonna help you. It's gonna help me more than you think. And the next thing is that if you're interested in learning affiliate marketing step by step, I gathered around the course which is called Affiliate Talent, which you can find the link exactly below this video. It's gonna be the first link. I teach affiliate marketing step by step from A to Z, whatever you need to know in order to start a profitable affiliate marketing business. I also teach you how to start a blog, how to optimize your blog, how to choose a product, what products are best performing. All the stuff are covered in my course, plus the ads, the paid ads, and the organic traffic. So I also put 70% off on the website right now, so I don't want you to miss out on it. So if you're interested in it, we can start it as soon as today. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask me by dropping your comments below this video. Thank you so much for taking the time, and see you later.